another Epicflows production.
Around 5 years now, me know. See, I tell you.
From that day when he was introduced to the twins of twin CDs.
You just keep saying that dirty word.
Does he have Rodney? It's the same one.
Rodney! Ratings feel coming like JP spelling a rasta. Ever tall in a dog. But more time I heard is like you're addicted to this one word, dog.
Epicflows. Always strike epic.
This a stickman attack, you know. Now let me tell you what really got on between the chicken them and the mosquito. Oh, when stickman attack, no man walk. So you see after Portia attacks everything, Miss Kitty stop get fluffy to the wheel tax off a car. The mosquito them couldn't find no blood, no way. You see me? So this is the story what happened. Boy, time hard in Jamaica. I told them I know say Portia tax blood too. I can't find no blood for drink. I'm thirsty bad. What me I gonna do? Yo, watch there. Look there. I want chicken that. Me say chicken nice, you know. Yo, you ever drink chicken blood yet? Make we go test it out. Make we go sample it.
I mean this. The rooster up on your grace cock so pocket. I want me just hear going in the streets. I want me just hear about my wife Gracie. I want some mosquito do. Them mosquito yet turn vampire now. Me hear say them just beat up my wife and suck out her blood. Somebody bring my shoes come, cause it nah go nice. Somebody call lizard make him bring my shoes. It nah go super nice when me get my hands on them mosquito there. Boss! See the mosquito them your boss. Him beat up Gracie. You want me to do them boss? Boss, you want me to do it?
Please don't kill me, Mr. Rooster. Mr. Rooster, please don't kill me. Me never know say your wife. Mr. Rooster, I know say you done. And my wife love Grace cock soup. And the whole of Jamaica them love Grace cock soup too. And them you fueling and them get blood. And we get blood from them. But I just can't Portia taxi blood and we could do with that dead for young boss. Sorry, make some type of deal now. Sorry boss.
Hey mosquito boy, I mean this. The roast up on the Grace cock soup packet. You think say man a chicken? And my wife that a this no boy. You think I no look a chicken foot in the street? Hey, what kind of deal you think you can make me when me no got 30? And that deal you better be super nice, you know. Else it not go nice for you. You see that gun here? Me a go use it and done ya. Me not even want hear no deal.
So right now, certain mosquito ear will go on. Them ear how the rooster up on the Grace cock soup packet deal with the mosquito them. For your wife Gracie. So arrival restart right so the mosquito them think out a plan. Say how them a go affect the chicken them. And them know how the Jamaicans them love eat rice and peas and fried chicken. So right now them go link up two brother Africa. And them learn some ancient chicken gun thing and come here and come bring it come to Jamaica. So they are suffer now. So right here now, my favorite perfume scent a repellent. Oh, when stickman talk, no man walk. So that's the story. I frame the mosquito, them a try frame the chicken them. The chicken have nothing to do with it. You don't know a TV time now. Let me see what I want.
Haile Selassie is what happened to this dumb government. I just a laugh.
You see, if you want the chance to see yourself in the next episode, like the brother right so, yeah, him, just comment, just like the video, and comment what your favorite part. Alright? When stickman talk, no man walk.
Epicflows. Always strike epic.